can't drink, so you have a problem? You come like an alcoholic, you need help?
If me I didn't want alcoholic, you really think I could have do this? Watch your style, yeah.
You focus, just focus on me.
You just proved my points.
Well, bad mind, girl.
So how was Japan?
One more.
Where is she? It was a good experience. A good experience.
No, I don't have corona, you know.
Well, you have it now.
You literally disgust me. You need to go see a therapist. Whenever you see a therapist, finally, it's about time.
Lady, you don't know me.
Listen, boy.
Lady.
Listen, boy. You sit down here,
I'm gonna have to sit down here and deal with them here. Alright, have a great day.
Okay, miss.
Have a great day.
Okay, miss.
First of all, yes, I saw a therapist. But I'm not like my mad. I'm not a mad man. I'm not crazy. I'm not mentally disabled and all of that. It's just I had to go because something happened. And if I never go, I would have went to jail. So the first session, you know, me and the woman will kick off and thing. But then I went there for the second session by force. And, you know, everything kind of went well. She said me all of me make great progress too. But then, Jamaica not open back its borders, man. Somebody just said to the girl, peace!
Wagwan Maya,
You look nice,
thank you.
So you had it today.
Megaling Shante.
Shante,
Stop working and not with Shante me at all.
you know why you want to be friends with a girl, you know? You don't understand, you know? After everything this girl did, you still a follow back her. Think you grow some sense.
Kiangwani? Maya, we just a go talk.
Me know I'm not going to talk her Anton Bestie again.
So what wrong with that?
Me a come.
Maya, no.
Me can come.
You will know why you can't come.
Yo, bring man up in there. Don't come and bring man up in there.
Don't come.
No, don't leg up my head, leg up my head.
You see you? He's a wicked guy. Madumo.
Make sure you make sure I call over you.
That never happen. That will never happen.
Yes, sister. You cook?
The girl ever walk with her belly.
Hey sis, you have company now.
Hey Asha.
Hey, Charnelle.
So you want anything to drink? You know, I have bourbon, I have whiskey, I have Campari, I have all sorts of liquor.
You can just give me water.
Water? What? Oh, yes.
So what going? A long time.
I just graduated high school.
Really? Congrats.
But because of COVID, them couldn't keep a proper graduation for us.
Sorry for you about that. That COVID took me on a joke.
So what? Why was that talk?
Honestly, we can't remember. But, you know, you did too shady. You come like Emily Crooks. You always have news about my man to carry back to me.
What exactly was the problem?
We just can't bother with the bag of negativity.
I was just being a friend.
I understand, you know, but I just can't bother with the bag of gossiping, especially without no proof. And it's come like you did want my relationship for done.
You're being ridiculous.
I'm not being ridiculous,
Yes, you
Asha.
are.
I just tell you how I feel. I did well, nice and comfortable in my relationship, and people got talk about a thing. And you as my friend, not for entertain gossip.
I was being your friend. I'm just to make you aware what people have said about you on the road. You know what your people have to say for about you?
When I don't see now, I aware everything around me.
If I was in a relationship and people were talking about me, I'd want to know.
That are you. I don't like the bag of negativity.
Really?
Look here, it's not hear nothing about my man. Just make me find out by myself. You hear that? Because it's enough girl around want my man.
Okay, let's end it there. Whatever I hear about you and your man, I shall keep it to myself.
Okay, fine.
Cool.
Girl, I want it so natural.
A couple years ago.
Well, me did want it to, but I can't bother.
Hey guys, Maya's here.
So what gone? We're just talking.
Is everybody good now?
Yeah, we talk things through.
So quick?
What's the problem?
I don't have a problem. I just look out for my friend, but they wouldn't understand because you don't know how to be a friend.
Bye, girl. Can you just come in to start one more problem?
Anyways, as I did I say.
Listen, we don't need to start out in the problems.
God would have to come back feeling hurt before we're done.
I'm not interested for reason with that fake bitch.
Wait, just call me.
All they do is spread people business.
Call me a bitch one more time.
Maya, I never need to call a girl a bitch.
What is Charnelle?
Bye?
Yeah, as soon as they turn friend with this bitch, just turn her body girl.
Leave my house right now, baby.
I can't believe what just happened. I can't tell Instagram about it.
I'm not gonna ever butt them from a girl. So if a warrior want, warrior go and get.
Yo, just stop, man. Stop, man. Yo, I love ramps, man. Easy, myself, man. Man, come, blows and skirt. Come.
You know that she was coming?
I never know she that come. I tell her not to come up. I tell her not to come.
Anytime I see her, the two of them are always fight. She's still a nasty, trashy